my beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to another hair care video. As the title reads, I tried the very viral Dove 10-in-1 Deep Repair Treatment Mask, and we are going to be deciding today and hearing my verdict whether or not it's worth the hype, because brand claims that it reverses 3 years of hair damage. I do also have a giveaway at the end of the video, so 2 of you can win something extremely exciting. Watch this video until the end to know what is it. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. Do also make sure you've hit the notification bell. If you're a skincare junkie, you want to know a good skincare routine for yourself, or if you have hyperpigmentation, sensitivity or acne and looking for some solutions for your skincare regimen, then do check out my website www.chetalichadha.com, where you have a very comprehensive 90-minute skincare course. All the details will be mentioned in description. Now, without further ado, let's quickly dive right into this video. Now, first, let's understand and break down the formulation for you, mainly the reason why I decided to try this product. Now, as you already know that I've tried a few of Dove's hair masks and I've loved some of those. That's the reason why I decided to go in with this one. Not just that, the formulation was very intriguing. So let's quickly break down the formulation and the ingredient list for you. The hero ingredient here is 8% bioprotein fusion, which is a patented technology by Dove. Bioproteins are similar to the proteins naturally present in your hair. They are a superstar ingredient valued in hair care for their ability to fortify the hair shaft, repair damage, and improve the overall health and appearance of your hair. They can help to replenish lost proteins in the hair structure, particularly in cases where hair has been damaged by chemical treatments, heat styling, or environmental factors. The second ingredient on the list is citral alcohol, which is an emollient and basically softens your hair. The third ingredient on the list is a very interesting one at that. It is benzalkonium chloride, which smoothens the hair cuticle, reduces frizz, and makes your hair easy to comb and style. On number 4, we have the superstar humectant glycerine. It essentially adds moisture to the hair, increasing manageability. We also have lentil seed extract, which nourishes and repairs hair strands, quinoa seed extract, which protects hair from heat by blocking environmental stressors, and apricot kernel oil, which is a great emollient and rich in vitamin E and fatty acids. Now, when a skincare or hair care product is formulated well, it is bound to perform well. I have spoken about many Dove hair masks that I've loved wholeheartedly, and this one right here is no exception. To be very honest with you, I did not expect it to start working from the first instance onwards. So from the first use, I fell in love with it. It has a beautiful fragrance which lingers on. It just softens your hair, makes them frizz-free, easy to comb, easy to style, and the best part is it doesn't weigh down your hair. I can literally run my fingers through my hair. Now, usually I don't heat style my hair, and that's why I have charted the entire journey in this video for you. So what you will see is the hair before wash, essentially before using the Dove hair mask, and then you'll see a shot of the hair where I have used the Dove hair mask and how my hair looks. Honestly, if you ask me, I would not heat style my hair because they look so amazing altogether. My hair are extremely prone to frizz, and just after a wash and comb and air dried hair look absolutely frizz free in my opinion. But I have heat styled my hair for you to see how they actually look. Now, I have not used ironing, I have not used anything. I very simply, with a very light hand, just used a blow dryer and a paddle brush to just comb my hair through, and this is how my hair looks. To be honest, my hair are not easy to style because they are frizzy and they also tend to get slightly dry, but I love how soft my hair looks and I can just run my fingers through them. My hair also look very shiny, which is what I love the most, and just extremely soft and frizz-free. Now, if you ask me honestly, the trick is to leave the hair mask on your hair, on your damp hair. So after you've shampooed your hair, you can use your conditioner if you like, or you can completely switch on to the hair mask step. I would just nicely go into my strands, just massage it a little bit on the length of my hair and leave it on there for about 5 to 10 minutes. To be very honest with you, I like to keep the hair mask as long as possible. If it says 5 minutes, I would go on and leave for 10 minutes because, like I said, I have hair which are very prone to frizz, and especially changes. The frizz increases with weather, and right now the weather is not that even great, and I love how my hair are absolutely frizz free and they look so shiny. That's what I love the most about this product. I think you already know my verdict. I fell in love with the product from the first use onwards, and honestly, that happens very rarely. This definitely repairs damage and tailor-made for hair that are prone to frizz. If you have color treated, color damaged hair or heat damaged hair, then this is the kind of product you need to go for. If you have dry, frizzy, brittle hair, try this product. Now it's time for the giveaway, and because I loved this hair mask so much, I bought 2 of these for 2 of you because I want you guys to try this product out. All you have to do is simply like this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. This is really important. And also let me know in the comment section if you have damaged hair, frizzy hair, and how do you treat your hair, or were you able to treat your hair at all or not. I love hearing from you, and all the best. Wish you luck. I hope 2 of you get this product and enjoy it as much as I did. Winners will be announced on the 10th of March on my community post, and also a comment will be pinned with the names of the winners underneath this video in the comment section. Please don't get scammed by any Telegram account or anyone in my name reaching out to you. It's not me. It's a fraudulent account. Someone's trying to impersonate me. With that, it's a wrap, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until I see you next. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye-bye.